Rangotsav Reimagined, where faith meets festivity. Gist of mythological stories.
भक्त प्रहलाद का बेहद अर्थ क्या है?
Student, what is the unlimited meaning of devotee Prahlad?
प्रहलाद उसका नाम है।
Baba, his name is Prahlad.
प्रमाना प्रकष्ट रूपेण, आह्लाद माने खुशी।
Pra means in an excellent way. Ahlad means happiness.
प्रकष्ट रूप से संसार को खुशी देने वाला, उसका नाम हो गया शास्त्रों में प्रहलाद।
The one who gives happiness to the world in an excellent way was named Prahlad in the scriptures.
ये कोई दूसरा पार्ट नहीं है।
It isn't any other new part.
जो मुकर्रर रथ है, उस मुकर्रर रथ का ही दूसरा नाम प्रहलाद।
Another name of the permanent chariot himself is Prahlad.
किसका बच्चा है? हिरण्यकश्यप का बच्चा। हिरण्य माने सोना।
Whose son was he? He was Hiranyakaship's son. Hiranya means gold.
काश्य माने तेज।
And Kashya means luster.
सोने जैसी तीक्ष्ण आत्माओं के पवित्रता रूपी तेज को पहनने वाला, खा जाने वाला हिरण्य कश्यप।
The one who uses, that is devours, the luster of purity of gold-like sharp souls is Hiranyakaship.
काश्य, हिरण्य माने सोना, कश्य माने तेज याद का या पवित्रता का।
Kashya, Hiranya means gold. Kashya means the luster of remembrance or purity.
पा माने पीने वाला।
Pa means the one who drinks it.
जो सोने जैसी सच्ची आत्माएं हैं, उन सच्ची आत्माओं के पवित्रता रूपी कहो, योग रूपी कहो, तेज को पीने वाला क्या हो गया?
The true souls like gold, they are, call it the luster of purity or the luster of yoga. Who is the one who drinks it?
हिरण्यकश्यप।
Hiranyakaship.
वो हिरण्यकश्यप उसका बाप है।
He is his, meaning Prahlad's father.
क्या
What?
है? ये हिरण्यकश्यप कहाँ होगा? ब्राह्मणों की दुनिया में होगा या कहीं बाहर की दुनिया में होगा?
Where will this Hiranyakaship be present? In the Brahmin world or somewhere in the outside world?
ब्राह्मणों की दुनिया की बात।
It is about the Brahmin world.
ब्राह्मणों की दुनिया में ऐसे ऐसे गुरु बन के बैठे हैं, जो सच्ची सच्ची आत्माओं के पवित्रता रूपी तेज को पी रहे हैं।
Such ones have become guru in the Brahmin world, who are drinking the luster of purity of the true souls.
उनके बीच में वो बच्चा जन्म लेता है।
That child is born among them.
उस परिवार में जन्म लेता है
He is born in that family.
और उसके ऊपर ये हिरण्यकश्यप जो है बड़ी बड़ी परीक्षाएं डाल देता है।
And Hiranyakaship puts him through severe trials.
कौन सी परीक्षाएं
Which trials?
है? हाँ, ऊंचा चढ़ा दिया और फिर ऊंचे से एकदम नीचे ढकेल दिया।
Student, like throwing from a mountain. Yes, he raised him high and then pushed him down from there.
किसने बचा लिया? भगवान ने बचा लिया।
Who saved him? God saved him.
सांपों के बीच में छोड़ दिया।
Then he was left among snakes.
सांप किसे कहा जाता है?
Who are called snakes?
भिखारियों को।
Vicious people.
भिखारियों के बीच में छोड़ दिया, सांपों ने डस लिया।
He left him among vicious people and snakes bit him.
उसके ऊपर कोई असर नहीं।
But there was no effect on him.
आग में झोंक दिया।
He was put on fire.
क्या?
What?
काम विकार की आग में झोंक दिया।
He was put on the fire of the vice of lust.
जो काम विकार का संग का रंग लगाने वाली होलिका थी वो जल गई, उसके ऊपर कोई असर नहीं पड़ा।
There was Holika who brought him in the color of company of the vice of lust. She got burnt, but he wasn't affected.
ऐसी ऐसी परीक्षाएं दिखाई है शास्त्रों में।
Such examinations have been shown in the scriptures.
है कहाँ की बात?
But it is about which time?
ये संगम युग की बातें हैं।
These are the stories of the confluence age.
भाग्यशाली रथ माना दुनिया में जितने भी तकलीफें बढ़ेंगी।
Lucky chariot means that however much the problems of the world increase,
दुनिया में जितने भी आपदाएं आएंगी,
however much the calamities of the world increase,
क्योंकि विनाश होने वाला है ना,
because destruction is going to take place, isn't it?
उस विनाश के पीरियड में
Even during that period of destruction,
जिस रथ का भाग्यशाली रथ का कोई बाल बांका न हो,
that chariot, the lucky chariot, should not suffer even the slightest harm.
जैसे कोई ट्रेन का टक्कर हो जाती है,
For example, if a train collides,
ट्रेन गिर जाती है और ढेर सारे लोग मर जाते हैं,
if the train overturns and many people die,
अथवा भूकंप आता है
or if an earthquake occurs
और धरती कंप आने से बिल्डिंगें गिर जाती है,
and buildings collapse due to the earthquake,
जैसे गुजरात में हुआ, मद्रास में हुआ,
like it happened in Gujarat, in Madras,
और उन बिल्डिंगों में लोग दब करके मर जाते हैं।
and people get crushed under those buildings and die.
फिर कोई कोई ऐसे होते हैं जो मलबा हटाया तो उसमें बिल्कुल जिंदा निकलते हैं।
But there are also some such people who are found alive on removal of the debris.
उनका बाल बांका भी नहीं होता।
They don't suffer even the slightest harm.
तो जिसका बाल बांका भी नहीं हुआ उसको क्या कहेंगे? भाग्यशाली कहेंगे या दुर्भाग्यशाली कहेंगे?
So what will be said about the one who does not suffer even the slightest harm? Will he be called fortunate or unfortunate? Someone said fortunate.
इतने मर गए, उसको भी मर जाना चाहिए था लेकिन वो बच गया।
So many died. He should have also died. But he survived.
तो क्या कहेंगे? भाग्यशाली।
So what will he be called? Fortunate.
जैसे प्रहलाद के जीवन में क्या हुआ? प्रहलाद को पहाड़ से गिराया गया।
For example, what happened in the life of Prahalad? Prahalad was thrown down from a mountain.
कोठरी में सर्प छोड़ दिया गया, काला सांप।
A snake, a dark snake, was left in his room.
ऐसे ऐसे प्रहलाद के साथ हादसे हुए।
Such incidents happened with Prahalad.
उसको होलिका जलाई गई और होलिका में बैठा दिया गया, आग के अंदर।
Holika was put on fire and he was made to sit on Holika in the fire.
और होलिका जल गई और वो ज्यों का त्यों।
Holika got burnt and what about him? He remained as he was.
तो क्या कहा जाएगा? भाग्यशाली कहा जाएगा।
So what will he be called? He will be called fortunate.
हिरण्यकश्यप को दुर्भाग्यशाली कहा जाएगा।
Hiranyakashyap, that is father of Prahalad who tried to kill him, would be called unfortunate.
और प्रहलाद को और होलिका को, प्रहलाद को होलिका को,
And Prahalad and Holika? What would Prahalad and what would Holika be called?
होलिका खुद जल गई माना दुर्भाग्यशाली हुई।
Holika herself got burnt. It means that she was unfortunate.
प्रहलाद भाग्यशाली हुआ।
Prahalad was fortunate.
The meaning of Holi. To celebrate Holi means having no small or big stain on the heart, a heart that is completely pure, complete with all the attainments. Avyakt Vani dated 19th March 2000, page 100, end.
तो जब होली मनाने आए हो तो होली का अर्थ है ये कि बीती सो बीती.
So, when you have come to celebrate Holi, the very meaning of Holi is bygones are bygones.
जो बीते संस्कार वो बीते हो जाएं.
Let the bygone sanskars be bygone.
होली माने हो गई.
Holi means ho gayi. That is, it has happened.
तो कोई भी जरा भी कोई संस्कार 5% भी आता हो, 10% हो, 50% भी हो, कुछ भी हो, कम से कम 5% भी हो, तो आज संस्कार की होली जलाओ. जो संस्कार समझते हैं, सभी समझते हैं कि थोड़ा सा ये संस्कार मुझे बीच बीच में डिस्टर्ब करता है.
So, if you have any sanskar, even to the slightest extent, be it 5%, 10% or even 50%, no matter how much it is, if it is the least just 5%, then today burn the holy of the sanskars, the sanskars about which everyone realizes this sanskar disturbs me a little every now and then.
हर एक समझता है ना कि मेरे में ये संस्कार है जो मुझे डिस्टर्ब करता है.
Everyone realizes, doesn't he? I have this sanskar which disturbs me.
हर एक समझता है.
Everyone does realize it.
तो होली एक जलाई जाती है और दूसरी रंगी जाती है.
So, in one Holi, a pyre is burnt, and in the other, colors are applied.
क्या?
What?
एक जलाई जाती दूसरी रंगी जाती.
खराब संस्कार हैं उनकी होली जलाओ और बाप के अच्छे संस्कारों की होली में रंग जाओ.
Burn the holy of bad sanskars and be colored in the holy of the father's good sanskars.
ब्राह्मणों की भाषा में मनाना अर्थात बच जाना.
In the Brahmin's language, to celebrate means to become.
होली मनाते हैं होली मनाते हैं अर्थात होली बनते हैं.
You celebrate Holi, it means you become holy.
होली मना.
What does Holi mean?
होली मनाना, होली में संग का रंग लगाना, मना बाप जिस निसंकल्प की स्टेज में है, निराकारी स्टेज में है, तो बच्चे भी संग के रंग से निसंकल्प, निराकारी, निर्विकारी और निरहंकारी, निर्माण स्थिति में स्थित अनुभव को आपने को अनुभव करे.
To celebrate Holi, to get colored with the color of the company in Holi means the stage that is free from thoughts and the incorporeal stage in which the Father is. The children too should experience themselves in the stage of being beyond thoughts, incorporeal, viceless, egoless, and humble through the color of his company.
तो होली मनाते मना होली बनते हैं.
So, to celebrate Holi means to become holy.
दुनिया वाले तो कोई भी उत्सव सिर्फ मनाते हैं.
The people of the world just celebrate a festival.
लेकिन आप बच्चे सिर्फ मनाते नहीं हो.
Whereas you children don't only celebrate it.
मनाना अर्थात बनना.
To celebrate means to become that.
तो आप होली अर्थात पवित्र आत्माएं बन गए।
So you have become holy, that is pure souls.
आप सभी कौन सी आत्मा हो?
What kind of souls are all of you?
होली अर्थात महान पवित्र आत्माएं।
You are holy, meaning highly pure souls.
दुनिया वाले तो शरीर को स्थूल रंग से रंगते हैं।
The people of the world color their body with physical colors.
लेकिन आप आत्माओं ने आत्मा को कौन से रंग से रंगा है?
But what color have you souls colored your soul with?
सबसे अच्छे से अच्छा रंग कौन सा है?
What is the best color?
अविनाशी रंग कौन सा है?
Which is the imperishable color?
आप जानते हो, आप सबने परमात्मा संग का रंग आत्मा को लगाया है।
You know that you have colored your soul with the color of the Supreme Soul's company.
उसका रंग लगाया है
Whose color?
परमात्मा।
The Supreme Soul.
People squirt colors through a water gun. What is your water gun? The imperishable color is filled in your divine intellect in the form of water gun, isn't it? Whatever you experience through the color of his company, the water gun is filled with the colors of those different experiences, isn't it? You can color any soul through vision, vibrations, and face with the water gun of the full intellect so that he becomes holy forever. They celebrate Holi, however, you make people holy. You make all the days holy, that is, holiday. They make their mood happy for a short period of time to celebrate it. But all of you always stay in a holy and happy mood to celebrate it. You don't have to make your mood, you have that mood always. You don't have any other mood in the holy mood. Those having a holy mood are always light, free from worries, complete with all treasures and the unlimited Swaraj Adhikari, that is, those who rule over the self. People have various mood swings. Sometimes they are happy, sometimes they overthink, sometimes light and sometimes heavy. You change all these moods and become those with a happy and holy mood forever. You celebrate such an imperishable festival with the Father. To remove, to celebrate, and then there is the celebration of meeting. Its yadgar is, they light a bonfire, apply colors, and then celebrate the meeting. When all of you are also imbued with the color of the Father, the color of knowledge, of happiness, of different attainments, of powers and virtues, you celebrate the holy of so many colors. When you are imbued with all these colors, you become equal to the Father. And when those who are equal meet with each other, how will they meet? People hug each other in the physical world, but how do you meet? When you become equal to him, you merge in his love. To merge means to meet. Avyakt Vani dated 15th March 1984, page 1, middle.
होली माना विकारों की होली।
Holy refers to the holy bonfire of vices.
अब तो होली भाई, क्या?
Brother, holy, it has happened. What?
तो जल गई।
It has burnt.
जल गई तो राख हो गई कि नहीं?
When it has burnt, did it turn into ashes or not?
अभी राख नहीं हुई, झूठ बोलते।
It didn't turn into ashes yet. You are lying.
अभी होली या हो रही है?
Has it happened now or is it happening?
अभी हो रही है।
It is happening now.
होली तब कहें जब बाप प्रत्यक्ष हो जाए।
It will be said holy when the Father is revealed.
अभी गुप्त पार्ट बजाय रहा है, कोई को दिखाई पड़ता है, आज दिखाई पड़ता है, कल अनिश्चय बुद्धि हो जाती।
He is playing a hidden part now. He is visible to some. Today he is visible and tomorrow they become those with a doubting intellect.
तो होली चालू है या होली?
So, is Holi going on or has it happened?
अभी भी चालू है।
It is still going on.
रोज प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं क्या विकारों की होली नहीं जलाएंगे।
Children make a vow every day that they will no longer light the holy of vices.
फिर माया पकड़ लेती है।
But Maya traps them again.
अकेली राम वाली आत्मा की बात है जो सारी दुनिया की बीज है, सारे ब्राह्मणों की बीज है, या सारे वृक्ष की बात है?
Is it only about the soul of Ram, who is the seed of the entire world and all the Brahmins, or is it about the entire tree?
सारे वृक्ष की बात है।
It is about the entire tree.
जैसे हम भी, वैसे तुम भी, सब भी।
As am I, so are you, so is everyone.
अरे कृष्ण का मुंह गोरा है कि काला भी है?
Are, is Krishna's face fair or is it dark as well?
काला भी है। राम का मुंह?
It is dark too. And what about Ram?
उनका भी मुंह काला।
His face is also dark.
और शिव बाबा का मुंह?
And what about Shiv Baba's face?
अरे शिवलिंग काला हो या सफेद ही होता है?
Is a shivling black as well or is it only white?
वो भी काला। जगन्नाथ है, वो भी काला। श्रीनाथ, वो भी काला।
It is also black. Jagannath and Srinath are dark too.
तो होली या चालू? अभी भी चालू।
So, has it happened or is it still going on? It is still going on.
यादगार में होली का त्योहार भी गाया जाता है।
The festival of Holi is also celebrated as the Yadgar.
क्या करते हैं होली पर? बम्भोर को आग लगाते हैं ना।
What do the people do on Holi? They set the haystack on fire, don't they?
तब क्या होता है?
Then what happens?
है होलिका राक्षसी जल जाती है।
Demoness Holika gets burnt.
और उसके बच्चे बाल बच्चे क्या रह जाते हैं?
And do her children survive?
वो भी जल मरते हैं।
They also get burnt and die.
प्रहलाद बच जाता है।
Prahlad survives.
तो ये विनाश भी बड़ा कल्याणकारी है।
So this destruction is also very beneficial.
प्रहलाद के मुआफिक ये विनाश भी तुम बच्चों के लिए आह्लादकारी है।
It is joy giving for you children like Prahlad.
जैसे कुरान में लिखा है, अल्लाह के बंदे कयामत के समय बड़े आराम से रहेंगे।
Just as it is written in the Quran, the servants of Allah will be very elated at the time of destruction.
उस बम्बोर में आत्माएं शुद्ध हो जाती हैं, शुद्ध होकर जाती हैं निर्वाण धाम।
The souls become pure in that haystack. They become pure and go to the abode beyond speech.
तुम तो योग बल से शुद्ध बनते हो।
You become pure through Yog Bal.
फिर ये पुराने शरीर खत्म हो जाते।
Then these old bodies are destroyed.
इस संगम युग पर सभी आत्माओं को वापस जाना है।
All the souls have to go back in this confluence age.
जावेंगे भी नंबरवार।
You will go there number wise.
फिर आवेंगे भी नंबरवार।
Then you will also come number wise.
नंबरवार अपना अपना पार्ट बजाने के लिए आते रहेंगे।
You will keep coming back number wise to play your part.
नंबरवार योगी नंबरवार जावेंगे। और नंबरवार भोगी नंबरवार वापस आवेंगे।
The number-wise yogis will go there number-wise, and the number-wise bhogis will come back number-wise.
योगी आत्माएं खुशी खुशी वापस जावेंगी, लेकिन नंबरवार।
The yogi souls will go back happily, but number-wise.
और भोगी आत्माएं बम्बोर को आग लगेगी तो हाय हाय करके वापस जावेंगी।
And when the haystack catches fire, the bhogi souls will cry in distress and go back.
Happy Holi, especially to those who have become the fathers. When you think Holi, that is past and become the fathers, it is then that you shoot the water gun of happiness. They become dirty after being colored. So, they have to clean their clothes and face. Whereas, your color is so elevated and lovely, that whomsoever you apply it to will say, apply more color on me. Apply it forever. First, you shoot this water gun of happiness at each other, don't you? Second, you shoot the water gun of the streams of all attainments. The third water gun is the water gun of all the powers. The fourth water gun is of the main points of knowledge. You become a deity soul by playing Holi with such water guns. Avyakt Vani dated 21st March 1981, page 77, middle, 78.
होली इसलिए मनाई जाती है कि जो होना था वो हो गया।
Student, why is Holi celebrated? Baba, Holi? It is celebrated because whatever had to happen has happened. हो गया।
क्या होना था?
What had to happen?
विकारों की जो होली खेलनी थी सो खेल ली।
The holy of vices that you had to play is over.
अब विकारों की होली हो गई।
Now, the holy of vices is over.
अब विकारों में नहीं जाना है।
Now, you mustn't indulge in vices.
होलिका जल गई।
Holika got burnt.
क्या? हाँ।
Yes.
अब उत्सव मनाओ, खुशी हो जाओ।
Now, celebrate the festival and enjoy yourself.
Holi and Dhulya.
और ज्ञान का धूलिया मचाना।
Celebrate the Dhuliya of knowledge. Dhuliya means dust of colors.
सबको ज्ञान सुनाना।
Narrate the knowledge to everyone.
सबको ज्ञान रंग के अबीर में रंगाए देना।
Color everyone with the abir of knowledge. Abir is a red color powder.
क्योंकि उनसे वो चोली उनकी रंग जाएगी।
It is because their clothes will be colored with it.
ज्ञान से क्या होगा?
What will happen with knowledge?
उनका जो शरीर रूपी वस्त्र है वो भी ज्ञान में हो जाएगा।
Their cloth-like body will also be imbued with knowledge.
इंद्रियां भी ज्ञान से भरपूर हो जाएंगी।
The indriya will also become full of knowledge.
इंद्रियां जब ज्ञान से भरपूर हो जाती हैं तो वो इंद्रियां किसी को दुख देंगी?
When the indriya become full of knowledge, will they give sorrow to anyone?
दुख दे ही नहीं सकते।
They just can't.
अज्ञान है तो अज्ञान युक्त इंद्रियां दूसरों को दुख दे सकती है।
If there is ignorance, the indriya which are full of ignorance can give sorrow to others.
The confluence age itself is holy day, that is, holiday. So, the holiest father has come to celebrate holy day with the holy children. The holy of the world is for 1 to 2 days, and you holy swans celebrate the confluence age as holy. They apply colors, whereas you become colored with the Father's company and become holy forever. You become holy, that is pure forever, by transforming from limited to unlimited. This festival of Holi gives you zeal to make others pure and become pure yourself. Whatever methods they adopt in its Yadgar bear the essence of becoming pure. First of all, in order to become holy, that is to celebrate Holi, you have to burn and reduce impurity and bad traits to ashes. Until you have destroyed impurity completely, you can't be colored with purity. You can't celebrate the festival of applying colors to each other with the vision of purity. Forget the various feelings and think, we belong to one family, we are equal, meaning, it is the Yadgar of celebrating it with a sense of equality, thinking, we are brothers for each other. They celebrate it in the Lokik form so that men and women, be it small or young, celebrate it equally. Actually, the awareness of being brothers and being equal makes you experience the imperishable color. When you stabilize in this stage of equality, it is then that you experience a glimpse of imperishable happiness and you have zeal forever, thinking, you should make all souls apply such imperishable color. Avyakt Vani dated 15th March 1984, page 1, beginning.
जो होना था सो हो गया, अब याद करो.
Whatever had to happen has happened. Now remember me.
दुरिया कहते हैं ज्ञान को.
Knowledge is called Dhuliya.
ज्ञान की धुरिया मचाओ.
Celebrate the Dhuliya of knowledge.
सबको ज्ञान की रिमझिम मचाओ.
Let the drizzle of knowledge shower upon everyone.
होली और धुरिया का अर्थ कोई और थोड़े ही है.
Well, Holi and Dhuliya doesn't mean anything different.
नहीं,
No.
होली तो है अंग्रेजी अक्षर.
Holi is an English word.
दो अक्षर तो होते हैं ना.
There are two words, aren't there?
ज्ञान और विज्ञान.
Knowledge, Gyan and remembrance, Vigyan.
Dhulandi.
होली के बाद एक त्योहार आता है होली के बाद एक त्योहार आता है दुलंडी, जिसे हम रंगों के त्योहार के नाम से जानते हैं.
क्या बताते हैं उसमें?
रंगों के त्योहार के नाम से जानते हैं. और बाबा उसकी बेहद में क्या शूटिंग होगी?
Student, following Holi, we celebrate a festival called Dhulendi, which is known as the Festival of Colors. Baba, what will be its shooting in the Unlimited?
हाँ, एक दूसरे को रंगते हैं.
Baba, people color each other.
आजकल की दुनिया में एक दूसरे के ऊपर कीचड़ से पोत देते हैं.
They smear each other with dirt in today's world.
जब होली के बाद धुलेंडी होती है तो कलयुग में आके क्या करते हैं?
When Dhulendi falls after Holi, what do the people do in the Iron Age?
हैं? हाँ, एकदम गंदा बनाए देते हैं.
They make each other absolutely dirty.
तो गंदा बनाना जानते हैं क्या होता है?
Do you know what making dirty means?
हैं? ऐसे भी करते हैं.
They also do that.
अब ये धुलेंडी का टाइम चल रहा है.
Now, the time of Dhulendi is going on.
मोस्टली काम क्रोध लोभ मोह अहंकार के विकारों की होली तो खेली.
Most of the people have played the Holi of the vice of lust, anger, greed, attachment and ego.
अब धुलेंडी चल रही है और चलने वाली है.
Now, Dhulendi is about to begin.
Holi means something that has taken place, something that has passed, put an end to it completely. To let the bygones be bygones and move ahead. This is the celebration of Holi, that is, to bring the meaning of Holi in life in practice. Every day, you have to keep something or the other in your mind to change your Purusharth. So, making this vow itself is celebrating Holi. You should feel the past memories to be something from a very old birth. You should feel it to be bygone in such a way. When you attain such a stage, the speed of your Purusharth increases. The main thing that slows the speed of your Purusharth is thinking about the things that have happened, thinking about things of your own past or that of others, and keeping them in your heart. One is to keep it in your heart, and the other is to think about it. So, it should neither be in your heart, nor should you think about it. The third thing is to speak about it. Today, Bap Dada has come to celebrate Holi. You have called him to celebrate Holi, haven't you? To make this color fast means to celebrate Holi. Avyakt Vani dated 23rd March 1970, page 218, end.
रंग डालना, तो ये ज्ञान का रंग डालना एक दूसरे के ऊपर.
To throw colors. When you throw these colors of knowledge on each other,
तो ज्ञान रंग में सब रंग जाएंगे.
everyone will be colored with knowledge.
जब ज्ञान रंग में रंग जाएंगे, तब एक दूसरे से संस्कार मिलन होगा.
When they are colored with knowledge, it is then that their sanskars will harmonize with each other.
अगर ज्ञान बुद्धि में नहीं बैठा है, ज्ञान के रंग में रंगे हुए नहीं है, तो आपस में लड़ाई झगड़े चलते रहेंगे.
If the knowledge hasn't sat in your intellect, if you aren't colored with knowledge, you will continue to have fights and disputes amongst each other.
पहले रंगना होता है या पहले मिलना होता है?
Do people color each other first, or do they meet first of all?
पहले रंगते हैं, बाद में मिलते हैं.
They color each other first of all, later on they meet.
तो ये संस्कार मिलाने का तरीका है.
So this is the method to harmonize sanskars. Student, Baba, vices are burned before that.
हाँ, तो जलाओगे नहीं तो ज्ञान बुद्धि में बैठेगा.
Yes, if you don't burn them, will the knowledge sit in your intellect?
नहीं बैठेगा.
It won't.
खुद की बुद्धि में नहीं बैठा है तो दूसरे को ज्ञान रंग कैसे चढ़ाएंगे?
When it hasn't sat in your intellect, how will you color someone else with knowledge?
Why do they burn cookies on Holi?
अभी इस सारी झूठी दुनिया को आग लगनी है.
Now this entire false world has to catch fire.
वो फिर होलिका बनाते हैं.
Then they make Holika, the bonfire lighted on Holi.
उस होलिका की आग में कोकी पकाते हैं.
They burn koki in that fire. Koki means dry cow dung balls.
है ये बात.
This fact actually applies in the unlimited.
धागा रह जाता है.
The thread is left.
तुम स्नेह के धागे में पिरोए जाते हो ना.
You are threaded in the thread of love, aren't you?
तुम्हारा एक बाप का स्नेह का धागा है.
Yours is the thread of love of the one Father.
तो तुम आत्माएं बच जाती हो.
So you souls survive.
बाकी सारी दुनिया भंभोर को आग लग जाती है.
Rest of the entire world, the haystack catches fire.
है ये बात.
This is the reality.
शरीर सब जल जाते हैं.
All the bodies are burnt.
अर्थात देह अभिमानी जल जाते हैं.
It means the body conscious ones are burnt.
बाकी तुम्हारी आत्मा अमर बन जाती है.
As for the rest, your soul becomes immortal.
क्योंकि तुम आत्मा अभिमानी बनते हो ना.
Because you become soul conscious, don't you?
तो ये बेहद की बातें हैं.
So these are unlimited concepts.
All of you have come to celebrate the Holi of which colors? You know that the most elevated color is the color of the company of the Supreme Soul. This color makes you the most elevated forever. Just as the Father is the highest of the high, in the same way, this company of the Supreme Soul also makes you the highest of the high. He is seeing a star of fortune sparkling on the forehead of every child. Throughout the whole cycle, this star of fortune is attained by no one except you fortunate children. The elevated fortune is that it is only you children who become double pure, that is holy. There are also religious souls, but they don't become pure through the body. In the future, the soul, as well as the body of you Brahmin souls will become pure. The sign of being double pure is that you receive a double crown. In the whole cycle, only you become double crowned. In the confluence age, by having the color of the Father's company, you become double pure. The company of the Supreme Soul in the confluence age makes you double pure. Because of staying with the Father and because of being combined with Him, you become double pure on this holy. You constantly have the Father's company in your heart. This color is so elevated that it makes you as elevated. People celebrate Holi with physical color, whereas you become holy with the color of the Father's company. That too, double holy. So, your holy is unique in the world, and it is dear to the Supreme Soul. Avyakt Vani dated 16th March 2011, page 1, beginning.
होली के पहले दिन हम जो घर बना के जलाते हैं ना वो क्यों?
हाँ जी।
Student, Baba, why do we make a bonfire, that is a house, and burn it on Holi? Baba, yes.
वो गोबर का घर होता है।
It is the house of cow dung.
गोबर कहते हैं विकारों को, लैट्रिन को।
Vices, excrements are called cow dung.
वो लैट्रिन वाला जो घर है, वो बिगाड़ना अच्छा या बार बार बनाना अच्छा?
Is it better to destroy the house of excrements or is it better to make it again and again?
हैं? वो बिगड़ जाए वो ही अच्छा है।
It is good if it gets destroyed.
अभी हम मन बुद्धि की नई दुनिया में पहुंच रहे हैं।
Now we are reaching the new world of the mind and intellect.
मन बुद्धि की नई दुनिया में ये गंध नहीं होगा, गंध की दुनिया नहीं होगी।
There won't be this dirt in the new world of the mind and intellect. The world of dirt won't exist.
खत्म हो गई होली।
It is over. Holy. That is, it has happened.
होली की नहीं होली? होली।
Has it happened or not? It has.
देखो अभी भी बहुत पतित बन गए हैं ना, तो अभी देखो कितना हिलेंगे।
Look, people have become very impure now, haven't they? So look, they will shake so much.
कितने विनाश में हिलेंगे।
They will shake so much during destruction.
तो ये सभी आग लगेगी। तो देखो ये हिलने डुलना टू मच हो गया ना।
So all of this will be set on fire. Look, there has been too much of this shaking and quaking, hasn't there?
बहुत पतित हो गए तो अब आग लगेगी।
As they have become very impure, the world will be set on fire now.
अच्छा, ये आग क्यों लगेगी?
Acha, why will it be set on fire?
क्योंकि पतित बनने के बाद फिर पावन दुनिया आनी है।
It is because after becoming impure, the pure world has to come.
जब भी किसको पावन करना होता है,
When something has to be purified,
सोना को प्योर सोना बनाना होता है तो क्या करते हैं?
when gold is purified, what is done?
आग में डालते हैं।
It is put in fire.
तो पावन हो जाएगा।
Then it will become pure.
तो ये विनाश की आग है।
So this is the fire of destruction.
और ये विनाश की आग भी यहाँ भारत में बहुत।
And this fire of destruction is very intense in Bharat.
खून की नदियां बहती हैं।
Rivers of blood flow.
आग लगती है
There is such fire that
कि आग में डालने से चीज शुद्ध हो जाती है।
when anything is put in fire, it becomes pure.
बरोबर भक्ति मार्ग में ये दिखलाते भी हैं।
This is certainly shown in the path of bhakti too.
कि होलिका जब होती है तो आत्मा शुद्ध हो जाती है।
When holika is burnt, the soul becomes pure.
और शरीर जल जाता है।
And the body gets burnt.
यादगार है ना?
There is a yadgar, isn't there?
वो गोबर की गुलेरियां बनाते हैं, उनमें धागा डालते हैं, गुलेरियां जल जाती हैं।
They made guleria, that is dry balls of cow dung. They string them in a thread. They get burnt.
तो सब शरीर जल जाएंगे।
So all the bodies will get burnt.
माने देवान खत्म हो जाएगा।
It means body consciousness will be destroyed.
तो फिर इतनी जो आत्माएं हैं वो जल करके क्या होती हैं?
So what happens to all these souls after burning?
वो तो शुद्ध हो जाती है ना।
They become pure, don't they?
भले हम वो समझाए देते हैं कि इनको हिसाब किताब भी चुकतू करना होता है।
Though you explain that they have to settle their accounts too.
अरे ये बात तो कोई दूसरे नहीं जानते हैं ना।
अरे no one else knows this, do they?
ये ऊपर की बातें तो ठीक है ना।
These traditions mentioned above are right, aren't they?
कि होती है।
They are true.
ये दिखलाने के लिए कि आत्मा अमर है, शरीर छूट जाता है।
It shows that the soul is immortal and it leaves the body.
फिर जरूर आत्मा को दूसरा शरीर चाहिए।
Then the soul certainly needs another body.
तो होलिका जो ये लगती है, देखो ये घर घर में दिखलाते हैं।
So look, this holika which is burnt is shown in every home.
कितनी जगह में, गांव गांव में, शहर शहर में, मोहल्ले मोहल्ले में आग जलाते हैं।
They burn it in every village, every city and every locality.
तो सभी घरों में आग लगेगी।
So all houses will be set on fire.
और सारी दुनिया को आग लगेगी ना।
Moreover, the entire world will be set on fire, won't it?
तो फिर आत्माएं पावन हो जाएंगी।
Then souls will become pure.
ये जो होलिका मनाते हैं ना,
This holika which they celebrate,
अभी ये जब विनाश होगा तब इनका ये भक्ति मार्ग में सब कुछ चला जाएगा।
when destruction takes place, everything that belongs to them in the path of bhakti will be gone, that is, destroyed.
Why do they wear white clothes on Holi?
होली के दिन सफेद कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं बाबा?
होली के दिन सफेद कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं?
Student, why do people wear white clothes on Holi, Baba?
हाँ, होली के दिन होली खेलने से पहले सफेद कपड़े पहनते हैं कि होली जब जला ली जाती है और होली खेल ली जाती है तब शाम को सफेद कपड़े पहनते हैं।
Baba, yes. Do they wear white clothes before playing Holi or do they wear it in the evening after they have burned the bonfire and played Holi?
शाम को।
हाँ।
Student, in the evening, yes.
तो ये बेकारों की जब होली खेलते हैं तो गंदे बन जाते हैं।
When they play the Holi of vices, they become dirty.
रंग बिरंगे बन जाते हैं, कीचड़ लगाए लेते हैं।
They become colorful, they smear mud.
ये विकारों की कीचड़ में सड़ गए।
They were covered with the mire of vices.
जब होली पूरी हो गई विकारों की, फिर सफेद कपड़े मिलेंगे।
When the Holi of vices is over, they will receive white clothes.
और यादगार है भक्ति मार्ग में।
It is a yadgar in the path of bhakti.
Why do they celebrate the new year on Holi?
दिवाली के टाइम पे न्यू ईयर मनाते हैं। दिवाली के समय पे न्यू ईयर मनाते हैं। ऐसे गुड़ी पड़वा के टाइम में भी न्यू ईयर मनाते हैं। तो उनमें अंतर है।
Student, the new year is celebrated during Deepavali. As such, the new year is celebrated even on Gudi Padwa. What is the difference between the both?
कोई आत्मा ऐसी है कि जब उन्हें राजाई प्राप्त हो जाती है तब उनके लिए नया वर्ष होता है।
Some souls are such that when they receive the kingship, it is a new year for them.
तो दीपावली जो है वो राम की राजगद्दी की यादगार है।
So, Deepavali is the yadgar of Ram ascending the royal throne.
कोई आत्माएं ऐसी होती हैं कि राजाई तो दूर की बात है, राजधानी स्थापन हो जाए, हम राजा बन जाए राजधानी के, वो तो दूर की बात हो गई।
Some souls are such, leave alone the idea of kingship. This is certainly a far off proposition, that the capital is established and they become the king of the capital.
लेकिन अपने विकारों को ही भस्म करना उनके लिए मुश्किल है।
But it is difficult for them to turn their vices into ashes.
इसलिए वो होली को ही न्यू वर्ष मनाते हैं।
This is why they celebrate Holi itself as the new year.
5 विकारों की होली जल गई, माना हमारा नया जन्म हो गया।
When the Holi of 5 vices is burnt, we had a new birth.
Only a swan with a constantly holy intellect can work at the hour of need. The meaning of holy was mentioned, wasn't it? One meaning of holy is pure, and in Hindi, it means, let past be past. So, those whose intellect is holy, that is clean, and those who have the practice of letting go the second and the situation which passed. The children with such intellect always stay holy, meaning, they are imbued with the spiritual color. They are always colored by the Father's company. So, the word holy is used in 3 ways, all of which are these 3 specialities. So, the swans who know this method, they always achieve accomplishments. Avyakt Vani dated 6 December 1987, page 156, middle. Worldly customs.
आज उस समय होली आज मनाई जा रही है।
हाँ जी।
बंगाल में कम मनाई गई। एक दिन पहले, दीपावली भी एक दिन पहले मनाई जाती है। ऐसा क्यों होगा? बंगाल में एक दिन पहले क्यों मनाई जाती है?
Student, Baba, Holi is being celebrated in the entire Bharat today. It was celebrated yesterday in Bengal. Deepavali is also celebrated a day before. Why are these festivals celebrated a day before in Bengal, Baba?
सबसे बड़ा वैश्यालय कौन से शहर में गाया हुआ है दुनिया में?
Baba, in which city is there said to be the biggest brothel of the world?
है? कलकत्ता सबसे बड़ा वैश्यालय गाया हुआ है।
Kolkata is said to be the biggest brothel.
और प्रैक्टिकल में बनता भी है।
In fact, it becomes that in practice too.
तो सबसे जास्ती विकारों की होली कौन जलाते हैं पहले?
So who burn the holy of vices first of all?
कलकत्ता वाले ही जलाते हैं।
The residents of Kolkata do.
सबसे बड़ा शिवड़ा भी बनता है बाबा।
जो पहले विकारों की होली जलाएगा वहाँ शिवालय भी पहले बनेगा।
Another student. Will it also become a Shivalaya first, Baba? Baba, the one who burns the holy of vices first, Shivalaya will be established there first.
हाँ जी।
कलकत्ता का जय हो गया।
है?
कलकत्ता का जय हो गया।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
Another student. Baba, it is a victory to Kolkata. Baba, absolutely.
The very speciality of Holi is to color someone. All of you are already colored by the spiritual color. The color is fast, isn't it? Or will it fade away under the sun of Maya? It won't fade. The people of the world have entertainment for one day, whereas you have constant entertainment. The mind keeps on playing and dancing. In fact, All festivals are the yadgar of your life. The speciality of Holi is to color someone, to burn the Holi, and to celebrate a meeting. Since you have been colored by the Father's company, the best color is of the Father's perpetual company. So, you constantly have His company, don't you? You are always holy because you constantly have the color of His company. And when you stay with the Father, when you are in His company, everything bad naturally burns away. To burn impurity is to burn holy. And when you are colored by the color and the weaknesses have been burnt away, what happens? An auspicious meeting. When you meet one another, you constantly have good wishes for one another. To meet one another with good wishes is an auspicious meeting. It is constantly auspicious. The auspicious meeting is a pure meeting. No matter what kind of soul someone is, with your good wishes, you are able to transform even him. So, you constantly celebrate an auspicious meeting with the Father and yourselves. That Holi is of damage and yours is of benefit. So much damage is caused there. Damage by color, loss of time, and damage to clothes. And yours is the Holi of accumulating merits. Avyakt Vani dated 16th March 1995, page 165, middle.
पापा पहले होली खेलते थे तो अच्छे कलर डालते थे गुलाबी वगैरह डालते पहले होली खेलते थे लोग ये 20-20 साल के पहले और तो गुलाल लगाते थे और तो अभी क्या ये तमो प्रधानता की निशानी है क्या लोग काला नीला एसिड कुछ भी लगाते हैं लोगों को कीचड़ भी लगाते गोबर भी लगाते तो ये क्या है बाबा क्या
Student, earlier, when people used to celebrate Holi 20 years ago, they used to apply gulal. But is it the sign of Tamo Pradhanta that they apply any color like blue, black, acid, anything? They in fact apply muck and even cow dung. What is this, Baba?
कलयुग का अंत जैसे आता जाता है वैसे वैसे कीचड़ में ज्यादा खेलना करते हैं या नहीं खेलते हैं?
Baba, as the end of the Iron Age commences, do people play more in Maya or not? Student, they do.
तो जो कीचड़ में ज्यादा खेलते हैं उसी की निशानी है.
When they play more in Maya, this is its very indication.
कि जब अंतिम क्षण आते हैं भक्ति मार्ग के होली के तो वो कीचड़ खेल रहे हैं.
When the last moments of Holi come in the path of Bhakti, they play with Maya.
दिखाते हैं कि देखो हम ऐसे बन गए.
They show, look, we have become like this.
जितना भी ज्ञान बताओ उनको फिर भी वो हाँ ठीक है बोलते बराबर है बोलते फिर भी करते वैसा.
Student, no matter how much we explain to them, they just say, yes, all right, it is right. But then they do the same thing.
जब तक हम भी वैसा ही करेंगे.
As long as we also do the same.
तो वो देख लेंगे ये भी वैसे ही है.
They will see that they are also the same.
हम तो होली खेलते ही नहीं बाबा.
अरे कि ये क्या खेल रहे हैं?
Student, Baba, I don't play Holi at all. Baba, what is this that you are playing with?
हे भगवान.
Oh God. Student, I got it.
One thing people do on Holi is apply colors, and what else do? They burn a bonfire on the first day and celebrate Holi the next day. They celebrate it after burning and eat sweets while celebrating it. Which sweets will you eat here? You were told which color you have to apply. Why do you eat sweets now? When you are colored by this color, you automatically imbibe the virtue of sweetness. By not seeing the past of your own self or of others, you become easy-natured. And which virtue is evident in those who are easy-natured? Sweetness. There is sweetness in their eyes, on their face, and in their conduct in an evident form. So, sweetness comes through this color, As a result, there is the custom of eating sweets. Avyaktvani dated 23rd March 1970, page 219, beginning.
भक्तिमाल में गीत गाया जाता है होली पे, श्याम पिया मोहे रंग दे चुनरिया, ऐसे रंग दे कि रंग नहीं छूटे, धोबिया धोबे चाहे सारी उमरिया।
हाँ, अब धोबिया तो धो रहा है।
Student, a song is sung on Holi in the path of bhakti. My beloved Shyam, dye my drape with such a color that it never fades, even if the washerman washes it throughout his life. Baba, yes, the washerman is washing the clothes.
लेकिन धोबिया जब धोता है तो कोई तो प्रभावित हो जाते हैं।
But when he washes them, some become influenced.
माया से प्रभावित हो जाते हैं और मजे लेने लग पड़ते हैं।
They are influenced by Maya and start enjoying it.
विकारों का सुख लेने पड़ते हैं। अरे भगवान से भी विकारों का सुख लिया जाता है क्या?
They start seeking the pleasure of vices. Arey, is the pleasure of vices sought from even God?
भगवान तो निर्विकारी है, उसके ऊपर तो कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा।
God is in fact viceless. It will have no effect on him.
पड़ेगा, उसके ऊपर कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा।
Will it have any effect? It will have no effect on him.
तो ज्ञान में चुनरिया रंग दे।
So, color the drape with knowledge.
फिर रिपीट कर दो।
Repeat the song.
श्याम पिया मोहे रंग दे चुनरिया।
हाँ, श्याम पिया माने कौन है?
Student, Shyam Piya Mohe Rang De Chunariya. Yes. Who is Shyam Piya? That is beloved Shyam.
भगवान है ना, राम है, राम लोकट।
It is God, isn't it? Student, Ram. It is Ram. Ram.
राम वाली आत्मा है श्याम पिया। भगवान शिव ही प्रवेश करता है काले से काले में।
Is the soul of Ram Shyam Piya? It is God Shiv himself who enters the darkest one.
इसलिए वो श्याम कहा जाता है।
This is why he is called Shyam, that is the dark one.
उससे भक्त जो है बोल रहे हैं, मेरी चुनरिया, मेरा शरीर रूपी चुनरिया ज्ञान रंग में रंग दे।
The devotees are calling out to him, dye my chunariya, that is my drape-like body, with the color of knowledge.
ऐसे ज्ञान रंग में रंग दे, कोई भी स्थिति आ जाए, कोई भी परिस्थिति आ जाए, कोई भी व्यक्ति आ जाए, मेरे ऊपर उसका कोई असर प्रभावित न हो जाऊं मैं उससे।
Dye it with the color of knowledge in such a way that no matter which situation, circumstances or person comes, it should have no effect on me. I shouldn't be influenced by it.
नहीं तो क्या होता है, कलयुग में स्त्रियां अबला बन जाती हैं।
Otherwise, what happens? Women become weak in the Iron Age.
कोई ने पकड़ा, बुद्धि बलहीन हो गई।
If someone caught hold of them, their intellect becomes weak.
तो बलहीन हो जाना ये अबलापना है।
So, to become powerless is to be weak.
देवभान ऐसा है कि देवभान आया और तुरंत सारा ज्ञान उड़ गया, क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए सब भूल गए।
Body consciousness is such that as soon as you become body conscious, the entire knowledge vanishes and you forget what you should do and what you shouldn't.
नहीं तो क्या स्त्री को अपना शरीर नहीं है?
Otherwise, doesn't a woman have her own body?
विरोध नहीं कर सकती?
Can't she pose an opposition?
है? कर सकती है कि नहीं कर सकती है? कर सकती है, लेकिन नहीं कर पाते।
Can she or not? She can, but she isn't able to.
तो अबला है।
So she is weak.
बाबा कहते मैं तुम्हें शिव शक्ति बनाने आया हूँ।
Baba says, I have come to make you a Shiv Shakti.
तुम शिव की शक्तियां हो, तुम थी, तुमको ही बनना है।
You are the Shaktis of Shiv. You were that, and you alone have to become that.
कैसा भी बड़े से बड़ा असुर आ जाए, वो तुमको कंट्रोल न कर सके।
No matter how big a demon comes before you, he shouldn't be able to control you.
तुम उसके प्रभाव से प्रभावित न हो जाओ। भले शरीर छूट जाए।
You shouldn't come under his influence, though you leave the body.
देहं वा पातयामि कार्यं वा साधयामि। क्या कार्य है?
Though you leave your body, the task must be fulfilled. What is the task?
पवित्र बनो, योगी बनो।
Become pure, become a yogi.
It is always holy for the holy children. You are always colored with the color of knowledge. This is why there is no need to especially apply color. That is entertainment. As for the rest, you definitely don't have to become Mickey Mouse by coloring yourself. You are always holy swans, those who stay holy and celebrate holy. You also put in the colors to make others holy. Happy Holi to all the children. Also, congratulations on flying with a zealous and enthusiastic life. Avyakt Vani dated 7th March 1990, page 170, end, page 171, beginning.